Let's start coloring by learning the names of color. Here is purple color, pink color, blue color, orange color, parrot color, red color, yellow color, and green color. Now let's color the crow. What sound does a crow make? A crow says, how many crows can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 crows.